Good morning students, welcome to your computer class. Beta, in previous lecture what we have done find and replace option in table in MS Access, and one more topic we have done, that views of a table. There are two views are there in table, MS Access, design view and datasheet view. Already I have told you that what is the use of design view and what is the use of datasheet view. Design view means how you can make a format. Design view means आपको एक format तैयार करना है, and data sheet view means how you can add the data in your table. उस format में आपको data कैसे add on करना है. Today we are going to do that more addition, more deletion fields in the table. आज हम fields में addition और deletion करके देखेंगे that how we can apply these in our table in MS Access. So for this thing, let's start our today's practical. But in this practical, what we have to done, that we are going to change editing fields in a table. For this, first we have to make a table. For example, I have made a table and I have given the name editing fields in a table because our today's topic is editing fields in a table. Then your table name is student detail, and this one is your table in datasheet view, and this one is in design view. Design view means first I have make a format that what I want in our datasheet view. Student ID, name, dance, transportation. Student ID means वो number में होना चाहिए. That's why we are choosing a number, name in text, dance in text, and transportation is also text. And this one is your design view. And if you want to change the datasheet view, then click here view. Your first option is datasheet view. Okay, this one is your datasheet view. Now what we are going to do here, I am going to write 1. And now 2, 3, these are your IDs. How you can use IDs, that this one. Okay, this one is your table. First one is renaming a field. What is the meaning of renaming a field? If you want to change the name of your field, then what we are going to do, on your page number 22, first topic is given renaming a field, and your first point is right click the field whose name you want to change. For example, I am going to change the student ID name. उस पर right click करना है, right click, and your last option is rename a option. In your book, click on rename field is given, and you can choose the rename column also, because this one is field is coming to column, that's why. Okay, now here I am going to change roll number. I want to write roll number. Then your third is type a new name for the field and then press the enter key, and I have pressed enter key, and now my field's name has changed. Now adding a field in the table. What is the meaning of adding a table? For example, I want to add class and section also in our field. Then what you are going to do, the new field appears in the table. How? First one is right click the name of field that you want to display it after the new field. Where you want to add your new field, then right click, and your option is, where is your option? Yes, insert column. Okay, now here your insert column is inserted. Here I can rename this one also, rename कर सकती हूँ, right click, last option, and what I am going to write here, class and section. I want to write class and section. Here I can add the things. For example, your first one is from your 5th and section is alpha. Same process, second one also 5th and section is bravo. Okay, now your third one is of 6th class and your section is delta, and 6th your section is eco, and 5th one is from your section is child. This one is I have added the sections and field names and the data also. Now deleting a field in the table. How can you delete your field? If you want to delete the transportation list, there is no need to that adding of this field transportation. First one is right click on the field that you want to remove. Right click, and then second one click on delete field. Last second option is given delete. Now again dialog box will be appear that do you want to permanently delete the selected field? Yes. As you click on the yes, then your data, your table, your field has been deleted. Okay. Now on page number 23, your topic is given selecting records. आपको records sorting records, आपको records को sort करना है. And how can you sort these records? First is you can select your records ascending order or descending order. You know very well that what is the meaning of ascending or descending. It depends on you only that how you can sort your records. Your first point is open the table that you want to sort. I have already opened that table. Second one, click on the column header for the field that you want to sort. For example, the name. I want these names alphabetically. Then click on the home tab. As you click here, first you have to select the field. Then in home tab, what is given? Click on ascending to sort. Your option is here, A to Z in this sequence, or you want to add in this sequence. It depends on you. You want to sort A to Z or Z to A. It totally depends on you. For example, I am going to select A to Z and our data is selected. Diya, Dishan, Mehak, Parisha, Pooja. Means this one is now alphabetically in ascending order. If you want to choose in descending order, then also we can do. It depends on us only. Now filtering the data. How can you filter the data? Filter the data means if you want to choose your records only from 6th class. There is no need of 5th or 7th class. आपने जो अपना data choose करना है वो आप सिर्फ 6th class में से choose करना चाहते हैं. Then what we are going to do? Your first one is click the data. You want to use the filters the records. Class and section first. Click on that record or then that field. Then click on home tab. And then your third point is click on selection to filter the records. Where is your this one? Selection to filter the records. Records is here. Now selection. Okay. Then click on criterion. जैसे ही आप selection पे record करोगे this one sort and records, and then click on criteria which you want to equals 5 alpha. आप सिर्फ 5 alpha का देखना चाहते हो. It depends on you only. Does not equal to 5 alpha, anything you want to add, or you can choose your filter A to Z or Z to A. It depends on you only. Okay, in this way you can choose or you can sort this one. Okay, for example, we can select the Bharatanatyam dance wise also. You want to select the Kathak. Here first click and then selection. लगी जो सोलो हो ना हो, as you wish. You want to select from here also. Means for example, I want to select Kathak only, nothing else. Then what I am going to choose, I am choosing only Kathak. Then okay, only Kathak's name will be appear to you. Now on next page, filtering data by form. How can we filter the data by form? First you should know that using AND or OR option. What is we are going to choose? Using AND data, हमने form को कैसे filter करना है? First one, open the table if it is not already open. पहले वो table open करो जो already open now, but our data, our table is already open. Then click on advanced button. Where is your advanced button? First you have to click here. In home tab your advanced button is given. Then click on filter by form. Your second option is given, filter by form. Now then filter by form window appears. Your window will be appear. Then what you are going to do, which looks like an empty replica of your table. जो एक empty है, means only fields name are given, no data is here. Click on dance field. Dance field पे click करो. As you choosing, for example, I have clicked on roll number here. Then a drop down arrow appears. जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे एक ड्रॉप डाउन एरो होगी इस पे like this. Then select Kathak. इसमें given है because they have selected dance. I am going to choose roll number wise. That's why I am going to click on 3 number. This will display only those records whose dance field contains Kathak, जो सिर्फ डांस के हों. Now here they are showing only 3 roll numbers. Okay, like here dance Kathak. ओके ये सिर्फ उसको सिलेक्ट करेगा जो कथक के हों. Then what you are going to do, click on the name field, click on the name list arrow and select the name of the student Praveen from the list. आप जैसे इस पर क्लिक करोगे then it will show you the name of your Kathak only. Okay. Like this. Then click on the toggle filter button. Where is your toggle filter button? Here. Okay. Means आप इस पे filter लगाना चाहते हो as you wish. It's your depends on you only. Then in this way you can use and filter by and filter by or. First try yourself that how you can use the using or. आप और को करके कैसे फिल्टर कर सकते हो ये आपको पहले खुद ट्राई करना है. देन आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द प्रैक्टिकल ऑफ दिस फिल्टर. ओके बेटा, यहाँ तक आपको कॉन्टिन्यूस प्लीज़ बेटा थोड़ा थोड़ा हम पढ़ रहे हैं. बी वेयर बी केयरफुल, लेकिन ध्यान से, और प्लीज़ इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग सम फेसिंग, इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम देन talk to me. It's okay and I will solve your problem. Otherwise you have to take your doubts in your doubt session. Thank you.